Hello and welcome to my video. Today I am doing a quick tip on how to use the rear door child locks. I'm going to show you how to turn them on and turn them off. So let's get started. There's a little switch on the door right by the lock mechanism here. And what this is the child lock for the door. The normal position is pointing this way towards the right, and that's the unlocked location. If I close the door and try to open it from the inside, it will open right up, or I can open from the outside. If I switch this to inside, so pushing it to the left side, I will now close it. If you pull on the handle on the inside, you get nothing. The only way to open it is from the outside. So that is pretty normal for a lot of cars. Some cars these days have the child locks electronic, controlled by the driver, and then some are manual, such as this one here. So I just wanted to give you a quick update on that. If you were not aware and have any issues trying to open the rear doors, make sure that this switch is pushed all the way to the right so you get full access to the inside door handle. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.